Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Xiaomi Redmi 9. So the Redmi 9 have many versions like the 980, the 9A, the 9i, the 9C and so on. What I will show you right now will work for all these versions. Okay, so let us start. So there are many ways to take screenshots. The first one is with the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons down together for 1 second and you will have a screenshot. After you will see directly a preview and you're able to send it as well directly. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together for 1 second. I was too less. Power button, volume down button for 1 second together and you will have a screenshot. If you tap now on the preview here, then you're able also to crop a part of this screenshot. Maybe if you have captured a website and just want to have the picture or something like this, you can do that. And yeah, if you're ready with it, just go and save, and your edited part is part now of the gallery. So there's a second way to take a screenshot. Just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then there's a symbol here for the screenshot as well. Tap it and we have a screenshot as well. Okay, and the third way works with the fingers. So if you have the phone like this, just swipe 3 fingers down and you will have a screenshot as well. A nice tool. 3 fingers, swipe them down across the screen and you have a screenshot as well. Yeah, where to find your screenshots after, of course, at the gallery. And yeah, at the category photos, you can just see your camera pictures, but at the category albums here, the screenshots have their own folder. There we see your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in me. Just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.